just had to get out of the house.
In continuing with the chronology of my monthly camping challenge, here's my July camping trip atop Spruce Knob in West Virginia. For many years, I've wanted to visit Spruce Knob since I learned that it was the closest dark sky site to my location. This isn't a random weekend I chose to camp, however. This was a night that was said to offer the best conditions for viewing Comet NEOWISE, and since it was also a new moon, I would get the best opportunity to photograph the Milky Way. But first, take a look at some of the photos I got so far. Here I am on top of Spruce Knob. It's the highest point in West Virginia, and I'm camping. I brought a hammock tent, and I can probably find a place to set up my hammock tent, but I'm going to be camping underneath a rock tonight. It's going to be a fun camp tonight. Going to see the Milky Way for the first time. It's a dark sky site. Never been to a dark sky site before. Closest one on the East Coast, so really excited.
Yeah, photoshopping it.
Get some dirt from NASA, like, that's physically impossible. Alright, man.
Well, here I am, camping under a rock.
Well folks, I just wanted to say thanks for watching and sticking around with me. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. This one has been incomplete for many months, and I have so many more adventures I want to share and will be sharing. My life has been particularly busy these past 2 years, but the sun continues to rise and so will I. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and let me know if you've ever camped on a mountaintop before in the comments below. Until next time, this is Joey Outdoors wishing everyone a safe and happy Thanksgiving with all your loved ones. See ya guys.